Hi guys, hope you all are good. Today's video is very special. Today we discuss 10 most weird facts. But before starting the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Crocodiles can gallop like a horse. It's likely horses you picture bounding across a landscape, not something scaly and low to the ground. However, a study published in Nature in 2019 noted that crocodiles have the full range of quadrupedal footfall patterns used by mammals, meaning that they have the ability to gallop like a horse, and occasionally do. Of course, they don't look quite as graceful, but they can reach speeds of up to 11 miles per hour. Number 2. A newborn baby is more than 3/4 water. You remember from grade school that all humans are made up mostly from water, but never more so than right after we're born. Newborn babies are 78% water, according to NASA, while adults drop down to around 55% to 60%. Number 3. Some stars devour planets. According to a study conducted by researchers at the Osservatorio Astronomico di Padova and published in Nature Astronomy in 2021, a quarter of Sun-like stars have a habit of swallowing up the planets around them. However, it's not likely that Earth will have to deal with this issue, as the study focused on systems that have binary pairs of stars instead of a single one like our own. Number 4. You can make honey from weeds. If dandelions invade your yard each year, consider turning them into a tasty treat. Pick a bunch of the yellow weeds, grab a few other ingredients, lemon, vanilla bean, or sugar, and after a few simple steps, you'll end up with delicious dandelion honey. Number 5. Sunlight triggers romantic passion. It has been known for many years now that ultraviolet radiation from sunlight increases testosterone levels in males, and we also know that sunlight plays a major role in both the behavioral and hormonal regulation of sexuality, explains Carmit Levy, who was behind a study published by Cell Reports in 2021. That research found that UVB light, which also comes from sunlight, boosts romantic passion in both genders. Number 6. Some jellyfish are immortal. Jellyfish are fascinating creatures for many reasons. They come in a range of shapes, sizes, and colors and are able to deliver a powerful sting. But perhaps the most amazing aspect of these animals is surely the fact that one type, the Turritopsis dohrnii, responds to potentially dangerous conditions by reverting back to an earlier form and starting its growth process all over again. This, in a way, makes them immortal. Number 7. Dog coat patterns are ancient. A study published by Nature Evolution and Ecology in 2021 found that all dogs today have patterns that stem from 5 coats that originated in ancient times. While we think about all this variation in coat color among dogs, some of it happened long before dogs were dogs. Professor Danica Banish from the University of California explained in a statement to Eureka Alert about the study she co-authored. The genetics turn out to be a lot more interesting because they tell us something about canid evolution. Number 8. There are around 2,000 thunderstorms happening on Earth at all times. The number of thunderstorms you witness tends to depend on where on the planet you live. For instance, the US experiences an estimated 100,000 thunderstorms each year. However, overall, there are 16 million thunderstorms annually on Earth. That breaks down to about 2,000 thunderstorms at all times, according to the National Severe Storms Laboratory. Number 9. You can figure out the color of a chicken egg by looking at the chicken's earlobes. Yes, even though they don't have outer ears, chickens do have earlobes, and they vary in color, from white to much darker varieties. That's probably not that surprising, but the correlation between earlobe color and egg color certainly is. Chickens with white earlobes lay white eggs, while chickens with darker brown earlobes lay, you guessed it, brown eggs. And this doesn't just apply to the most common egg varieties you'll find at the supermarket. Araucana chickens are known for their pale blue eggs, and sure enough, those chickens' earlobes are a similar hue. Number 10. If you sneeze while driving at 60 miles per hour, your eyes are closed for around 50 feet. When you sneeze, your eyes automatically close for a moment. But if you sneeze in a car that's traveling at 60 miles per hour, then your eyes will be closed for around 50 feet. According to one 2014 study by Halford's Auto Centers, drivers who temporarily lose vision due to sneezing are the cause of 2,500 accidents every week in England. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really did, subscribe to Foxtrot Info for more interesting and informative videos. Thanks for watching, guys.